In today's video, we will be discussing HTML comment. You can add an HTML comment to your code using this syntax. It's written like this. You have your angle bracket and then an exclamation mark. This is how you write HTML comment. Okay, so in between this, you have your content. So we say this is a comment. And you can see that it does not appear on your web page. The purpose of HTML comment is to allow developers to leave notes for themselves, and you can also use comment to debug your code. Okay, our next discussion is on HTML links, also known as hyperlinks. The HTML anchor tag is used to define a hyperlink, and anchor tags are written like this. You have your angle bracket, you have the anchor tag, you have the href, and then in between here you have your content. Okay, so the href, this href shows the link destination. A hyperlink in HTML is also a way for you to create clickable links that allow users to navigate to other web pages. Also use the anchor tag to create a link to an email address